Hello and welcome to Wild and Lovely Things. I am Shanice. Today our project is going to be making a wreath. I've been loving the not circular wreath type of situation. This time I wanted to do like something that kind of like hangs down. Wasn't really seeing anything that really caught me. So I just was like, okay, I'm just gonna go to the thrift store, see if I can find some garland or whatever, and just make, you know, the hanging one and see what I come up with. While I was there, I saw this really cool tree that you hang from the door. So at first I wasn't gonna get it. So I just automatically assumed that this guy was going to be very expensive. It has to at least be 3.5 feet tall. So this is still a little too big, but it was cheaper to buy this than to find a basket as well as the support that's in it. So I was like, just buy it. It was only $11 and it is quote unquote lit, but the cord plug thing gone, and I wasn't trying to figure out how to do that, so I'm gonna take all of it off. I also got this poinsettia, I don't know how you properly say it, poinsettia garland. It was $8, but I figured there's a lot of flowers on here I can do a lot of different things with. I can decorate a whole bunch of stuff with. As well as I got this one, which I thought was going to be more expensive, but he only charged me $6 because it does not have lights on it. But it has pine cones and these little bits on them. So I was like, okay, I can use those as well as the actual garland itself to make something cool or make a secondary wreath. So let's get started. So I guess first things first is figuring out how to take this apart, and then we can continue. Let's take off the lights first. Alright, so I got off all of the lights off of the tree. So I think I'm just gonna fluff it out to be the shape I want. I actually think this would be easier to put stuff on while I have it up. I can see it properly, so I'm just gonna decorate it on here.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around.
I also forgot I had all these decorations that I got off of wreaths last year that were being thrown away, and so I got a bunch of these, and I actually went, for most of these I actually went dumpster diving because they threw them out before my shift, and so he didn't realize, my boss didn't realize that I wanted them, so I went into the dumpster and took all of these off, as many as I could. I have a whole box full of the ones that I liked. So I can use these, which make life so much easier because you just stick it in. So let's see what we come up with.
I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's a such a charm, got you up in my arms. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow.
I have two different bow options. Like that, or the one with one tail, which I think I kind of like more. Let me know what you think down in the comments, which I should do. Alright, since I'll probably be redoing this every year, I don't think I'm going to attach anything to the tree. I think when I put it on the front door, I'm just gonna like squish them in there and just position them so that they're going to just fall out. And these are actually quite in there, like the little teeth on them really get stuck. So I think I'm just going to attach the bow on top and I am done.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home